Hey everyone, Kevin with EA Home Design. We are at another kitchen that we just remodeled, and I just want to show you how we turned this area to an exciting and very much more efficient space. Actually, right now the overall layout, the footprint of the kitchen was not great for this size house, but we tried to get the most out of it. And I'll start from where you're looking at me. Actually, this opening was much smaller. It was a smaller opening, which we made it wider and bigger. And there was only two small cabinets at the base. There was actually this desk that you see in a lot of kitchens, which is not, usable. Most people don't even use it. They just put, junk on it. But we made this wider. We made the counter wider. It's a big counter surface here for serving or for prepping or whatever you want. And when you come from the other side, I will show you how we changed the cabinet. We added cabinet here. As you come over here, let me just start from here, actually from this end. This is the dining area, and there was nothing here. We added this space cabinets here with quartz counter, which is an additional storage, and it's a really nice feature adding to the dining room. As you can see, you can do that, or you can even add cabinet on top if you want, with glass doors to put your decorative stuff, like a hutch. And turning around here, there's a closet in this wall. This was a closet door here, and the fridge was here. We actually removed the door, we closed the wall, we moved the fridge to the end, we put the panel, we finished it nicely, that the fridge is kind of built into the cabinet. And we opened the door on that closet from that back hallway. And this way you have a bigger kitchen because we added this wall to the kitchen area. And the fridge and the other thing, the cabinets were all up to here. We took the cabinet all the way to the ceiling. On the top, as you see, all the cabinets are with glass and lighting, or you can have solid doors at the storage, make it a storage for things that you don't use every day. And as moving along, there's a nice 48-inch dual fuel range with a big, nice hood that we vented outside. Before there was like cabinet here and no vent to the outside, and there was just the old cooktop here. But this is a fully functional, this gives you everything. This range is amazing. And as we come around, of course, other features of this, you can see it's a beautiful backsplash with all the under cabinet lighting to light this up. And going back again, you will see the island, the sink in the island, dishwasher next to it. And we have this wall, which was not used in the old kitchen that much. It was, I told you, just 3 pieces of cabinet. Now we extended, we added full-size cabinet and countertop and more cabinet on the wall. There was no wall cabinet here before. And now we have this wall cabinet here and there, and base cabinet. A lot of storage we added here. I think the storage on this side has been added by 4 times, I would say. And making the opening bigger, connecting the 2 rooms more together, makes this kitchen look much more beautiful and much more spacious and efficient. Okay, thank you for watching this video, and go look at the before pictures and videos and let us know if you have any questions. You all have a good day.